My first book contains the heirloom recipes that I converted to gluten-free. Banana bread is one of those. Smaller pans like muffin tins and mini bread loaf pans work well for gluten-free baking. Start by creaming the butter and sugar. Then add the bananas, and the eggs. Add your dry ingredients to the flour mix. And if you don't have buttermilk, add about a teaspoon vinegar to your milk. Then alternate flour, then milk, and then the remaining flour. And add your vanilla. Then fill your pans half full. Dark chocolate chips are a great addition to banana bread. As well as pecans. I hope your family enjoys this recipe time and again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more recipes like this one.